Hey guys, today we're making my delicious no-bake cheesecake with 3 microwavable toppings. You can make all 3 in 2 minutes. That way, everybody at the dinner table can have their cheesecake the way they want it. Let me know in the comments below which cheesecake you prefer. Okay, you guys, so like any cheesecake recipe, we're going to start by making the crust. In this bowl, I have some crushed digestive biscuits. I absolutely love digestive biscuits, guys. They add a really nice saltiness to the cheesecake, but you can use graham crackers if you prefer. Add the melted butter, and you want to coat the crumbs entirely with that butter. You're going to transfer this into a springform pan, greased and lined with parchment paper. Spread the mixture evenly, and you want to make sure you pack it well to get a sturdy crust. Pop this into the freezer just for 10 minutes and you'll see why in just a moment. And in this other bowl, we're going to make the cheesecake filling. I have some cream cheese, some vanilla, and we're also going to add some fine sugar. Fine sugar is perfect for cheesecakes because it dissolves so easily. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell. I post new videos every week. You're going to mix this just for a minute to get that cream cheese nice and smooth, and then add the heavy cream, which will lighten the mixture, and you'll get the most beautiful mouthfeel. Now you want to whip this well. This recipe has no gelatin, so we're only relying on the whipped cream and the cream cheese for its structure. This shouldn't take more than 2 minutes, and you'll know it's ready if it doesn't fall off your spatula. Now because this mixture is so stiff, you want to add this to your pan in batches. Otherwise, if you were to add it all at once, you may end up with some air pockets. This is why we put the crust in the freezer, because as you smooth out your filling, the crust stays in place. It's an excellent trick, guys, and it will make your life so much easier. As soon as you get to the top, you might want to use an offset spatula or a spoon, also works perfectly. Smooth the top as evenly as you can, and this needs to chill in the fridge for at least 6 hours. So I do recommend just making the cheesecake the day before. Okay, so while that's chilling, I'm going to show you how to make those delicious toppings. We're going to start with my absolute favorite topping, which is caramel. I have some butter. I'm going to add brown sugar, and you're going to microwave this for 2 minutes, stirring midway and again at the end, like I'm doing. Add the heavy cream, mix again, and believe it or not, you just made caramel in 2 minutes. Allow this to cool for at least 20 to 30 minutes before you use it. For the chocolate topping, we're going to make a very quick chocolate ganache. So to your chocolate, add the heavy cream, and again, microwave this for around 1.5 minutes. After 1 minute, give it a stir and microwave again for around 30 to 40 seconds. Give this a good stir until the chocolate dissolves completely, and we have the most glossy and delicious chocolate topping. For the strawberry topping, you'll need some pureed fresh strawberries. I just popped mine in my food processor, and I do like to strain this because I don't want any seeds in my final product. Add the sugar, microwave this for around 2 to 4 minutes, depending how thick you want your topping. This will thicken even more as it sits in the fridge. And if you've ever made my strawberry cake, you know how delicious this topping is. Let me know in the comments below which topping out of the 3 is your favorite and how you like to eat your cheesecake. This is a great idea, guys, to satisfy everybody in your family. The cheesecake on its own is so amazing. It has the right amount of tang and sweetness, but the toppings really do take it to another level.